Hello, good morning everyone. This is a morning when I'm recording this, and this is very nice morning. It's the sun's shining and the birds are chirping. I wish you could hear them, but it's a really nice morning. And yeah, and also it's a little bit hot. So this week, as I told you before, I'm not going to draw something in particular, but I want to play with lines and also with pattern. So that's what I do when I'm stuck. And this is the first picture I drew this week. I only use some simple lines here, but I think this is beautiful. So you don't need to really plan it, you just need to just to make some lines. Then here it is. And yesterday I drew this is what I called as tree bark pattern. So yesterday I just drew some random lines which make some spaces, then I fill in those spaces with this pattern, what I call as tree bark pattern. I don't know the official name, maybe there is one, the official name, I don't know, but I drew this and I am happy with the result. And usually some people add some shading like in the edges, but I think the overlapping lines here make their own shading, so I didn't put on some shading with pencil because it's already beautiful as it is, I think. And today I will draw, maybe you will perceive it like flower, but yeah, you can draw flower like this, but today I don't want to draw like a plant with flower with leaves. So I will show you how I draw it. It's very easy. You just need to draw, you can draw this, it's okay, or you want to make it wider, this like this, it's okay. But I draw this. What I will do today is to make this shape almost like heart, but this one is not pointy here. I take another. What I will do is I will do the shape, then I will draw another. It doesn't have to be the same, it doesn't have to be identical. Then you got the shape, then I will draw like, I don't know what to call it, just fill in the petals or in the space with this shape. Yeah, it's like water drop, but skinny water drop. Okay, so what I did before, what I just did is that I draw all the petals first, then I fill in with this skinny teardrop water drop shape, then I block with black. Or if you want, you can just draw one petal, then fill in it with this skinny teardrop, then one more petal, then fill it in, then yeah, you do this all the way along. So which one is comfortable for you, just do it. Then now I will show you how I do it. Thank you very much for being with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Enjoy.